Muslin sarees. So today's video is going to be about muslin sarees andi. Namaskaram. Welcome to Rangvarsha Sarees. Light weighted hand weave fabrics tho ee roju chaala trending unna muslin sarees anedi chudabothunnamu. So muslin lo last time oka short video release chesamandi. Chaala mandiki nachindi fabric. We have got a very good response. So today we are going to showcase more than 4 to 5 designs with varied color combinations in muslin sarees. Light weighted, easy to carry, easy to maintain and suitable for all age groups. This is all about this fabric, and these fabrics measures 5.5 meters in length. You get 80 to 90 centimeter blouse. So let's get started. How to shop your favorite sarees from Rangvarsha? Just follow 4 simple steps. First one, take a screenshot of your saree pic and send to the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Second one, shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. Third one, directly visit to our stores located in Kondapur and Kukatpalli. And fourth one, book a video call slot. Me preferred time slot ki meer adigina varieties ni video call chesi chupistamu. Dani nunchi kuda you can pick your favorite sarees. So one more way to get connected with Rangvarsha Sarees product is our Instagram channel. So don't forget to follow us for our regular updates. First design in muslin saree ani name drape cheskunna saree, a complete sequence work muslin saree, peacock blue shaded saree, mottam sequence work anedi body mottam untundi, vertical stripe pattern lo sequence work vastundi with 1 inch zari weave borders on either sides. This is the complete look of the saree, and this saree comes with a nice paithani pattern weave pallu chaala grand ga untundi, very exclusive design ani kuda cheppachandi. Alanti pattern lo manaku pallu untundi, gold base mida multicolor thread weaving anedi pallu kostundi with finished tassels, and the saree comes with a running blouse, and these sarees are priced at 5,500 free shipping. Next shade, it's a royal blue color muslin saree with complete sequence work running throughout the body, matched with a paithani pattern weaved pallu and a running blouse, priced at 5,500 free shipping. A sky blue shaded saree with hand paithani weaved pallu matched with a running blouse, and this saree comes with a sequence work running throughout the body. A grey color sequence work muslin saree with complete multicolor thread weave pallu matched with running blouse. Yellow color lemon yellow shaded muslin saree andi, body mottam maniki vertical stripe pattern lo sequence work anedi untundi with a hand weave pallu. So multicolor weaving anedi pallu kostundi. So this is the next shade, a bottle green shade pure muslin saree with contrast red color thread weave patterns running through the body, matched with hand weave paithani pattern pallu and blouse. This is priced at 5,500 free shipping. The next one, it's a peach color sequence work muslin silk saree with 1 inch zari weave borders on either sides. Throughout the body manaki mottam butta pattern lo sequence work anedi ostundandi. Antique gold color combination lo sequence work anedi ostundi. Small buttas and pedda buttas anedi body mottam untundi. Chaala baaguntundi design aithe, very elegant design for which you have a complete zari weave pallu. So pallu lo kuda same ade sequence work anedi manaki continue avutundi, and the saree comes with a silver stripe pattern blouse, priced at 4,550 free shipping. Next one, it's a Rani pink color muslin saree with complete sequence work running throughout the body, matched with a stripe pattern blouse and a running pallu, priced at 4,550 free shipping. A nice sky blue shaded sequence work pure muslin saree with a stripe pattern blouse matched with the sequence work pallu, priced at 4,550 free shipping. A lemon yellow shaded muslin saree with 1 inch weave borders on either sides. The saree comes with complete sequence work booties running throughout the body, matched with a stripe pattern blouse. An orange color muslin silk saree. This saree also comes with complete sequence work booties running throughout the body. The saree carries a stripe pattern blouse with a sequence work pallu with running tassels, priced at 4,550 free shipping. A cream shaded muslin silk saree with antique gold sequence work running throughout the body. The next design in muslin saree andi, this is a traditional design. Intavaraku manam sequence work chusamo, mottam copper zari weave work kuda chusam saree lo. Idi aithe complete weaving tho unna saree, an olive green color saree with nice bottle green based gold zari weave borders vastundi. Body mottam manaki weaving buttas vastundi. Throughout the body manaki ila weaved buttas anedi untundi. This saree comes with a complete gold zari and pallu. Ee weaving anedi kuda color variation untundi. Meeku idu vachi manaki green mixed gold ani cheppochu. This is a proper gold color zari weave pallu. So this is the look of the saree, and we have a running blouse. This is priced at 3,900 free shipping. This is the next shade, a green shaded muslin silk saree. This saree also carries zari weave borders on either sides, matched with a zari one pallu and a running blouse. The next color, a wine shaded muslin silk saree andi. This color is one of the most sought color in our stores in muslin silk. సో ఈ కలర్లో ఈ డిజైన్ అయితే చాలా మందికి ఇష్టమైన కలర్ కాంబినేషన్. సో దిస్ ఆల్సో కమ్స్ విత్ కంప్లీట్ గోల్డ్ జరీ వీవ్ బుటీస్ మ్యాచ్ విత్ వీవ్ బార్డర్స్ ఆన్ either sides. This is the next shade, a royal blue shaded pure muslin silk sarees with weaved borders on either sides matched with a zari and pallu, priced at 3,900, free shipping. A purple color zari weave pure muslin silk saree. This saree also comes with weave borders matched with a zari weave pallu and blouse. A jet black muslin silk saree. This saree also comes with complete gold zari and booties running throughout the body matched with weave borders on either sides, priced at 3,900, free shipping. Next design in muslin andi, a complete thread weaved and gold zari and muslin silk saree, a dual shaded muslin silk saree manaki. Purple with pink color combination shaded saree with 1-inch pink color pipe and pattern borders. Body mottam thread weaving and gold zari weave booties aithe untundi throughout the body, and one side we have a complete thread weave border and the other side 2 lines of weave border anedi vastundi. So this is the complete look of the saree. The saree comes with complete weave booties running throughout the body. Idi pattern and the saree carries a weave pallu. So pallu lo kuda koncham heavy weaving anedi manaku pallu ku vastundi. The blouse, it's a muslin blouse. The saree is priced at 2,350, free shipping. The next shade, it's a peacock blue color muslin silk saree with gold and thread weave booties running throughout the body matched with a weave pallu. Another dual shaded muslin silk saree andi, a bottle green and pink mixed shaded saree with complete thread weave borders on either side. The saree carries a running blouse, priced at 2,350, free shipping. A red color muslin silk saree with gold and thread weave booties. This saree also comes with weave borders on either sides matched with a running blouse. A lemon yellow shaded muslin saree with gold and thread weave booties. This saree comes with weave borders on either sides. The saree carries a running blouse and this is also priced at 2,350, free shipping. This is the next shade andi, a light shaded saree, a sea green color saree with complete gold and thread weave booties. 3 to 4 inch thread weave booties anedi body mottam vastundi. This saree carries weaved borders, a 2-line border on one side and the other side is a single line border matched with a complete thread woven pallu, priced at 2,350, free shipping. So with this we are coming to the end of today's episode. Muslin sarees lo different styles of weaved pattern and color combinations lo sarees chusamandi. Mostly all these sarees are single tone sarees. So deentlo meeku edi kavalanna just send a screenshot to a WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. Ee video nachindante video ni like cheyandi, share cheyandi, ma channel ni subscribe cheskondi. Thank you for watching.